Okay, I made it through the hole. Woo, sorry for the huffing and puffing. It's like 150 freaking steps up. Definitely getting my Stairmaster in. But it's supposed to have a panoramic view up here. Holy, whoo, moly. Here we go. Here's Cork. We're gonna walk around. There's still more of the tower there. It's gonna get windy here. Anybody that was claustrophobic definitely shouldn't do this trek. But boy, am I glad it's not raining. Pretty. Coming around. That was a tight squeeze. Have fun, everybody. See you on the next. I'm going to the Butter Museum next. See ya.